welcome to another PowerPoint tutorial. So today we are going to be discussing about the slide basic. What we need to know about the slide, how we can also understand our slides and go about with it. Alright, so let's begin. First, let's see how we can actually insert a slide. Now, if we want to insert a slide, all we have to do is to come right up here. You see this new slide, we click on it, then we have some numbers of slide we can select. Now, let's say we want the first one, which is the title slide. Now, if we should tap on the title slide, this is it. It's here already. This is it here already. So when I move to the first slide, I'm having the same thing. I also move to the second one. I'm also having the same thing. So now I want to insert another kind of slide. I'll come here. I will search for the one I want. Okay, let me say I want to use this to content. I tap on it. Now I'm having this here. So whichever slide I want to use, I can just tap here and I can select any one of my choice. So how about maybe we don't need any of these boxes, we just want a blank slide. That is when we have this here, blank. Just click on it and then we're having our blank slide. Then we can simply insert whatever we want to insert. Alright, so now let's say we want to delete this slide. We don't need the slide here. We actually want to delete it. All we have to do is just right click on it and then you see delete slide. You click on it and then you've deleted the slide. Now, in each of the slide we are creating, we can actually insert a text, a picture, or whatsoever. Now, looking at the slide here, we can click here to add a title. Let's say we add in a title here, YouTube. Now, that is our title. So we can also decide to add a text here and also we can insert something here. Now, what are some of the things we can insert here? A picture, a chart, a table, a video, or whatsoever. We can insert anyone here. So whichever one you want to insert, you just click on it. Now let's say we want to insert a chart. All I have to do is just click on my chart and then I can go select any chart of my choice. I click OK. And the chart is just going to automatically come here. Now this is my chart. So this is just how we can go about with the inserting of charts and the slide. Alright, still on our slide, how can we now actually duplicate our slide? Let's say we want to be having a duplicate. All we have to do here now is right click on the slide. Is either you copy or you duplicate. Now if we should duplicate, we tap on it, it automatically comes here. Now this is it here. So now maybe we want it at the end of it. We want this slide to be at the end. All we have to do now is to just click, hold and drag it down and then you leave it. Now it goes there. So this is just how we can insert our slide. Now in each of the slide, now let's talk about this one, the fourth one here. Let's say we want to change the layout of this. Now this slide is having two columns here. It's having two and a title. So now let's say we want to change this. All you have to do is first you click on the particular slide you want to change. Then you come to layout, you click on layout and then I can select anyone. So let's say I want title and content. I click on it. Now this is it. I've changed it. So you can actually change a slide by coming straight to the layout and doing that. Alright, so that's just how we can go about with the layout. Okay, so now let's say we now want to design our slides. We want to have a design on it. Now all we have to do is to come straight to your design here. When you go to design, you come to themes. Now all of these themes here are themes we can actually use. If I should click on this, now there are several themes here I can use, whichever one I want to use. So let's say I want to use this. All I have to do is to click on it. Now, after selecting a particular slide or theme rather you want to use on your slides, you can now come here, variant. With the variant here, you can select whichever color you want. Now, let's say I want this color. Click on it. And this is it. I've changed this. So this is now my first page for my slide. This is the next one. And also the rest of that. So now Let's still talk about the duplicates. Now, let's say we want to duplicate. I told you you should just right click on it and then you see duplicate. You can duplicate, right? Good. Now, let's see another way. All we have to do is to just copy. You go to where you want to paste it. Let's say I want to paste it under this, and then I do Control V to paste it. This is it here. So I can have more and more slides of my choice. So like I said earlier, if you want to delete a slide, you just click on it and then click on delete on your keyboard and then it deletes it. Or you right click on it, you see delete, and then you can now delete the slide. So this is just how we can go about with our slides in PowerPoint. All right, so this is where we're going to stop. If you need more tutorial or you want to understand more of the basic to PowerPoint, you can do well to hit the next video. That video is going to take you through the introduction to PowerPoint. And also, if you'd like to learn more about Microsoft Word or Excel, you can also check out some of my videos. I'll be dropping it in the description below so you can check them out. All right, so if this video was actually helpful, if you really enjoyed it, do well to drop comment in the comment section. And also, if you like to support my tutorial, my channel, you can do well to buy my ebook. It's also in my description below. So see you guys in our next class, and do not forget, hit the subscribe button, continue to like and continue to share this video. Bye.